Clever Fox Sticker Book is the ultimate collection of over 1,500 stickers for planning, organizing, and decorating your planner, journal, or calendar. The book measures 6.8 by 8.3 inches, so you can easily fit it inside your bag and use it on the go. The stickers are made of thick, bleed and smudge-resistant paper with a matte finish to blend effortlessly with your planner's layout. You can write on them easily using any pens, pencils, or markers of your choice. We chose a delicate pastel color scheme, so you can use multiple stickers together to create beautiful, coordinated layouts. The set includes a wide selection of practical planning stickers to help you stay productive and organized. You can use these to highlight birthdays and other events, track errands and deadlines, plan appointments, and add other helpful reminders, such as taxes, doctor visits, workouts, laundry days, trips, shopping lists, meetings, and more. There are also dedicated stickers to highlight important dates in 12 different colors, one for each month of the year, and plenty of empty boxes to customize as needed. Using these, it will be easy to add structure to your agenda and ensure you don't forget anything important. However, planning stickers are not just about being practical. They're also about bringing fun and creativity into the everyday. That's why we've added over 500 decorative stickers to help you make every page unique. Whatever you're feeling, you will have a perfect sticker to mark the moment. With all these, you can add humor, excitement, and inspiration to your planning routine and get the motivation boost you need to continue reaching new heights. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.